going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So as you can see, I'm bald.
What the hell is even that?
Well, to zero, somewhat bald. But enough about that. We're not talking about my baldness. So today's video, like you guys can see on the oh, it's dirty on my lens. Anyways, today's video is gonna be about changing your headlight bulb on a 2015 Kia Sedona all the way up to, I believe, a 2018. But like before, like always, make sure you guys check, go on the internet, do some little research, type it in, but I'm pretty sure they run the same headlight. They all look like they're the same. They run the same, it kind of looks like a little projector on it, so I don't think it would be any difference. But just make sure, go to O'Reilly's, call them, see what kind of light bulb it is. But I think for this light bulb, I think it's an H7, I believe, H1, I forgot which one it is. But so the reason why I'm doing this video, it's kind of like a late story, but anyway, so when me and my wife went down to Texas, my driver's side light bulb went out, so it was fried. So of course I didn't make a video about it. I was out there with my family. I didn't want to make a video, so but since I'm home and I have nothing else to do, then I might as well make a video about that, since I was actually stuck on how to do it. But I believe there's like 2 or 3 videos already out there on YouTube. Check them out too. But I'm just gonna try to get into it and make it seem like it's not that complicated. It's really not that complicated. Like literally anybody could do it. Anybody with a small hand. Let's go with that. Anybody with a small hand could do it. It's really not that hard anyways to do it, but let me just show you the area that we'll be working with. Alright, so you guys could tell that is your headlight. So the headlight, the main one, your low beam, will be right here, and I believe the low beam, and I believe they're both right there, but anyways, that light went out, the low beam, so I had to change that out. So that one, driver's side, it is going to be located in here, in this cave looking thing, whatever. So it's in there. So it's not that hard, honestly, to change it out. So as you guys can see, you guys will have to, so once you located your headlights, you're gonna, on this little tab right here, you're gonna press up. Just press up. It's gonna be a little bit hard. You're just gonna have to fight it. But keep pressing up, and then it'll finally come up loose. Okay, like that. So you're just literally, it's gonna be like that. You're gonna press up, lefty loosey, righty tighty, and it even tells you where to open it and an arrow and all that. So that's that. So the reason why I say it's easy if you have a small hand, because you really only have this much room to work with, which is it's plenty of room, but it's not enough. And the same thing for the passenger side. If it's for the passenger side, it's gonna be the exact same thing, just on the passenger side, which this one I gotta push down. I don't know why it was in the up position. Oh, okay. So passenger side. So I seen a video where literally, so if you guys don't have that much room to work with, you can literally take off this whole panel right here. This panel is going to be these little tabs. Now if you guys do take off these tabs, you are going to break them. Like if it's a 2015, you're going to break them, just like so. I was being as careful as possible, and I still broke a few. Like few of them are just loose now because they're broken. So if you are going to do it at your own risk. You will probably have to end up going to O'Reilly's or go to Kia dealership and get new tabs. So you're going to take all these tabs out. There's all these ones. I don't know how much they are, but let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 tabs to take off this panel, okay? Then this bolt. You will take off this bolt right here. That I believe is a 10 millimeter or 12. And then once you take off this panel, there are going to be 2 more bolts. I believe it is a 12 and a 14, or a 10 or 12. But there's two of them right there. Take those two off. Take that one off. Okay. So this is literally, if you really have the biggest hand and you literally cannot do it and you can't reach down there, then this is the step that you'll be taking. So you'll be taking out this panel, you'll be taking out this bolt, and removing those two bolts right here. Once you got that off, there are no bolts down here. So a video I seen, the guy said that he couldn't reach that bulb, right? So he was fighting it, he couldn't figure it out, and literally down here there's these little clips, okay? So basically the headlight body, the headlight assembly just pushes in. So you're gonna have to put some effort into this and push the headlight towards you so it comes unloose on those clips. I tried to do it, for some reason it wouldn't work. So yeah, so he literally said you can literally push this out and it should come undone. I tried it. There's really not that much room. I wouldn't suggest getting a pry bar and prying on it knowing that this is plastic. So I wouldn't do it. But apparently it's possible. I couldn't do it. Maybe you can, but I couldn't do it. I don't know if I should put some like WD-40 on those clips so it would have been a lot easier. I don't know. But there's actually two clips. There's one down here and there's one down underneath here. So looking at from the top, one down here and one over here. And literally the body just slides in, and apparently you could, with enough force, press it back out. I couldn't do it, so I didn't attempt that. So if you have a small hand and you're able to reach in here, there is a bulb. Alright guys, so I don't know if you guys could kind of see that, but that's literally what I'm talking about. That's the bulb right there, those two wires, and it's into that little socket. So from up here with your hand, whichever hand you're able to do it, let me move this light, because with this light in the way I'm not going to be able to reach that bulb. So good hand, all you're going to do is reach in there, you'll feel around there, and then you're gonna turn it to the right. So if you're facing this way, you're gonna turn it to the right, and it will come undone. So that means you just turn it to the left. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Okay, so now the bulb is free of the little socket. And there she is. That is the light bulb. And then let's see if I could try to do this. You actually have to turn this, or I believe you press it in. Let me do that real quick. Hold on. Alright, so literally, you guys, it's literally like a plug-in socket. So you just push it into this little socket right here for the headlight. Now you guys notice there's a little tab right here, so literally it's literally gonna go only one way, and there's a little indent right here. I'll show you guys in a little bit, but there's a little indentation where you just put it in one way and that's it. So you literally pull it out and push it in to put in a new one. They were showing me the hard way. I can't figure it out, so I'm showing you guys the easy way. So you guys literally do not have, if you guys don't have to take this whole panel off and everything, you can literally do it just like this. So it's a pain in the ass to do it, but it's possible. So don't be like you guys gotta take all this off. You don't. It's a pain in the ass, but you can do it. So let me show you guys what I'm talking about right now. Alright guys, so like I said, there's a little indentation or indicator. So like I said, that little tab, that one right there, is gonna go right in between there. So like I said, you literally just push it in, or you literally pull it out to take it out and push in the new one to put it in, and then that's about it. So let me put in back my bulb again. And once you guys put it in, you guys will hear like a little snap. That's literally the bulb just snapping in place. So now once you guys got your bulb in there, now you're just literally gonna fill around in the hole of the headlight assembly. So alright, then when you guys you guys look down with the good flashlight, you guys could kind of see the hole where it goes. Once you think it's in place, turn it to, well, facing, like I said, facing towards the car. You're gonna turn to the left. So righty-tighty. Alright, once you guys feel like you guys have it in place, it is secure, you're not gonna put on that panel just yet. We're actually gonna turn on the vehicle and turn the lights. So, cause I had my my stepdad help me out, and I mean, it's not his fault. It's no one's fault. I mean, whatever. He was helping me out. He didn't put the bulb all the way in right, so the bulb was actually facing downwards. And literally, when I was driving home from Texas at night, it was horrible. Like the lighting, I knew for some reason this light bulb was just facing, going straight down, and I thought it was just me. But when I came back home, I literally seen that it was. So I will show you guys what I'm talking about. Well, I mean, I just fixed it, but oops, I got you on the car. Come on now. There we go. Alright, so let's have it plugged in, pushed in all the way. It should work. Right? So now, what you're going to want to look at, whichever bulb it was that you put it in, whether it be the passenger or driver, you're going to look at the circle around here, right? Now, if you're noticing that it's really bright in the bottom, like it's literally bright, and you can see, you know, the brightness is only going downwards, then that means your light bulb is not sitting right, okay? That's the problem that I had, and luckily I fixed it. So if that is true, then just go back in there, loosen it up again, feel around there, and turn it to the right, and then hopefully it fixed it. Alright guys, so once you guys notice that there's no bright glare or anything around that gray housing, and you know that the light bulb is set in place like it's supposed to be, then you guys are all good. Last thing you guys will have to do is literally just put on that cap for the headlight bulb. Put it on so. It's difficult putting on. There you go. And just push down. Make sure it's in position all the way around, and then just push down. And it is gonna be difficult to push down, but you don't gotta push it down all the way, just enough where it's tight and secure, and that's it. So that's it for doing your headlight bulb change on a 2015 to 2018 Kia Sedona. Alright guys, so that's gonna end today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope this video helped you out in any way. So yeah, that's gonna be it on doing a headlight bulb. It could be passenger, driver side, it doesn't matter. The low beam headlight bulb on a 2015 Kia Sedona all the way up to a 2018 Kia Sedona. I did look that up before, you know, saying that it's for that. But like I said, also just look just to make sure that's the right light bulb, and do some research on it just to make sure. And before I end today's video guys, me and my wife are going to be doing a podcast, and the podcast, it's not going to be like a lot of editing. It's going to be like raw material. We're going to talk about anything, sex, drugs, all that good jazz, all that good bullshit, and basically how we live our lives with 6 kids. Yep, 6 kids. So we're going to be talking about that. I'll put a link in the description down below, and hope you guys subscribe to that. So we'll be doing a podcast every week, I believe, if we're not busy. And then we're gonna record it Sunday evening, and we'll release the video Monday morning. So like I said, I'll put down a link in the description below. It would mean a lot if you guys subscribe to it, and subscribe to this channel, and hit that like button, hit that bell notification, so you guys are up to date with new videos. I know I haven't been posting a lot, but it's not really much to record lately. So, and guys, on that note, hit that like button, hit that bell notification for this channel and from my podcast. Subscribe to the channel. It would mean a lot to me. It will help out the channel, and it would just it would get me motivated. You know, that's one way of getting motivated and busting out more videos. But yeah, guys, see you guys later. Peace.